asked which mini should be painted next. The Tidal Lurker won the most votes, and in second place was the Werewolf. So I went ahead yesterday and I got them both primed. I don't use primer, I don't have any primer, so I just painted this in the vampire. No, I'm tripping, not vampire mist, just the straight dragon white. Give them a little bit of a initial coating, and then obviously I'll go from there. The color schemes, because I'm really just in this video gonna describe what I'm gonna be doing with these minis, and then I keep checking the time. Here in like 5 minutes I'm gonna watch the Goblin King, Michael Mordor, on his Twitch channel. Definitely, if you're not a part of the Goblin Army, I don't know why not, you should. But and definitely go check out Michael Mordor, his YouTube, his Twitch, his Discord, his Patreon, everything. He's basically, he was the gateway for me into this entire community, and he's the king, right? But so color schemes for this Tidal Lurker, I didn't really look up any lore or try to figure out what creature this is supposed to be, because I didn't want to taint my mental image of it. It's like a crab, lobster, mind flayer dude, and so I kind of like imagining that and kind of playing with that. So I think I want to use some oranges, some reds, and some purples. That's going to be my excuse me, my main color scheme for the Tidal Lurker. For the Werewolf, I did I looked at lycanthropy or whatever whenever I was painting my were-rat to try to know more about it. So I want to paint something based on the idea that it's a human that's got lycanthropy. I don't know if I'm saying it right, and they turn into this werewolf. Excuse me. So instead of doing it like real dark, like a blue steel or a jet black or something like that with some grays and whites coming up, I want to try to make him look more human in these fleshier parts that's transitioning into this furred beast. And I don't know if you can see, but kind of also in my little passing of time, I got this little orc merchant and this little, well, half orc merchant and this little human merchant. All I've done on them is their little skin tones, but I got those in front of me as well. Tidal Lurker itself, while I'm watching Michael here in like 3-4 minutes, I'm going to start on the underbelly. Basically it goes right up here, down into the underneath of the tail, right? I think I'm going to do a lot of darker purples. I'm highlighting it, maybe going up with some lighter blues. This area is going to be the lightest on the underbelly. I was looking at it last night under this light and kind of had the shadows and the light were playing off it with the beam coming not directly on top, but at a real steep angle coming down. And so I don't know why I thought that would look real cool with some real dark like purple and blues peeking through the shadows. And then right here kind of shining bright, showing off what colors are really there, back into the real dark shadow underneath. I think for the outer armor, I'm going to play with the reds and the orange. Orange will be more heavy, I think, on the limbs. Red a little bit more heavy on the back plating, whatever that is, going down through the tail. And then, I mean, how could I not, right? Like, I think on the screen you can kind of see it with the shadow, but it's like perfectly dark all the way around, and then that bright spot right down the middle. So that's where I want to catch people's eyes. I want them to see a little bit of the tops of the claws, kind of menacingly in the peripheral, but then I want everything to be drawn right there to the face. So no matter where you go, up into the spikes, down into the tentacles, follow them out into these claws, you start here, and then it just gets more horrific the further out from center you go, right? That's kind of my plan there. Let me check the time. Yeah, it's basically like 2 minutes till. So that's basically, this is our session 0 for painting the Tidal Lurker and the Werewolf. I'm gonna bounce over to Michael Mordor's channel. Again, you definitely should follow with me. Take care.